In January 2022, the Presbytery of Baltimore made a sacred declaration. We proudly affirmed an overture titled An Apology to African Americans for the Sin of Slavery and Its Legacy. And we knew then what we still know now. An apology is only the beginning.
The story of our faith is a story of liberation. Again and again, the Bible teaches us that God calls us not only to acknowledge wrongdoing, but to restore what has been broken.
In Exodus, the Israelites received reparations as they left Egypt. In Ezra, King Darius sent resources from the royal treasury to rebuild Jerusalem, even though he wasn't responsible for the exile. Jesus, in Luke 16, tells us plainly, make friends for yourself by means of dishonest wealth. That is, use what has been gained unjustly to make things right. As people of faith, we reject the misuse of Scripture to justify slavery, segregation, or systemic injustice.
We believe in a gospel that calls us to justice, relationship, and reconciliation. That's why, following our apology, we took the next faithful step. We created a reparative justice working group, clergy and elders from congregations across our presbytery. Our task was simple but not easy. Study our history, acknowledge our complicity, and recommend a path forward.
What we found was sobering. Churches in our presbytery were built with funds from families who enslaved people. Majority Black congregations were routinely underfunded. Some churches moved to the suburbs, while Black churches were left in deteriorating neighborhoods without support. In some cases, properties were taken or sold without consent. In others, funds that were promised for Black ministries were quietly repurposed. These aren't just stories from a distant past. They're realities that shape who we are today.
So what do we do now? How do we respond in a way that is meaningful and faithful? We propose the creation of a reparative justice fund, a fund administered by Black leaders, independent of the presbytery, and focused on local impact for historically Black congregations and neighborhoods.
This isn't about guilt. It's about justice, about healing. And it is about honoring the call of Christ to be agents of reconciliation. We are recommending a tangible commitment. 15% of the presbytery's accumulated unrestricted wealth. 10% of gains from future property sales.
These are not donations. These are not gifts. They are relinquishments, a surrendering of funds for repair. This is a step toward justice and reconciliation. And how will the money be used?
Not by us, but by, rather, communities who will decide for themselves what repair looks like.
Friends, surely healing is God's work. God is calling us to sow seeds of justice. And like the mustard seed, our faithful seeds will yield mighty shrubs, bringing blessings as yet unseen and unimagined.
We recognize that the harm done spans generations. And so the work of repair will take time. And so we can begin here, remembering that Christ doesn't call us to be comfortable. He calls us to be courageous.
The time is now. Pray for God's blessings over these funds. Let's repair the breach together.